Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the WeaveVM airdrop. Now Vue is a EVM network and is based on the DeepIn network, which is one of the hottest narratives in this crypto bull run. Now Vue's parent company Decent Labs, and they have managed to raise a overall funding of around 10 million US dollars from 19 different investors. And before we move on to Vue airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you the highest share of rewards, which up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now in order to farm the Vue airdrop, you will need to have a EVM wallet. So I would recommend using a MetaMask wallet. Now if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead and download it on your Chrome browser and set it up. And once you have MetaMask, simply head to chainlist.org. Now I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And then go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet and connect Vue Testnet chain to your MetaMask wallet. So if I go ahead and show it to you, I've already connected this Vue network to my MetaMask wallet. And once you do that, simply head to Faucet, go to your MetaMask wallet, copy your MetaMask wallet address, paste it over here and get some testnet tokens. So the testnet token symbol is TWVM. Now once you have the testnet tokens, simply head to tapstry.fi and over here you will need to go ahead and swap few tokens. So we'll go ahead and swap, let's say we'll swap it to NDL and 0.001 and let's go ahead and swap it. Now we will need to go ahead and confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. So let us go ahead and confirm this. And as you can see, the transaction is now submitted and it will take approximately 1 minute for the transaction to be completed. Now the next step is going ahead and adding these tokens to a liquidity pool. So as you can see, I have already added some liquidity pool, but I will go ahead and add this NDL and Vue testnet token to the liquidity pool. So let us go ahead and select this and select max and then go ahead and approve NDL. Once again, you will need to confirm the transaction on the MetaMask wallet. Select max, next and approve. Now wait for the approval to be completed and then we can go ahead and supply these tokens to the liquidity pool. So now this NDL token has been approved. So let us go ahead and supply both of these tokens to a liquidity pool. Once again, confirm the supply and confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. And the transaction has been submitted. And as you can see, now the liquidity pool has been added. So if we go a bit back, now I have 2 liquidity pools. Now you can keep doing this transaction twice every week. Don't spam it too much, else your wallet would be marked as Sibyl and you might be ineligible for the airdrop. And the last step is you can head to Zeely and go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet and complete all of this task. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm the Vue airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.